What's up, America? Y'all already know who it is. About to get started this morning. Got probably a few hundred people or so for breakfast. Tonight, I got to do a split shift tonight. So tonight, I got about 600 people from India, the passage to India. Some pretty interesting looking plants out here. First of all, let me turn this camera around so that y'all can see what I'm talking about. Now, if anybody know what kind of plant this is, let me know. Like one big long bud or something. Look at that. Got a jogger this morning. He'll be down to have an omelet after that. All right. Let y'all check out the back part. Nice hotel furniture. That's the bridge that I come across every morning to get here. Those brown buildings over there is downtown. It's a downtown area right there. Well, I got to get back inside. Y'all know the business. Bye. Get out my kitchen.